children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends. Miss, can we play that fruit game again?
You want to play that fruit game again?
Yes, miss.
Okay, it will be fun. Today I have a new basket of fruits. So let's start the game, Monami. Are you ready, children? Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
Kiwi?
Yes, kiwi.
Hello kids, I am kiwi. I'm a tropical fruit. I am brown on the outside and green on the inside. I am rich in vitamin C.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
No.
Plum.
Plum.
Yes.
Hello kids, I am plum. I am small, dark reddish purple and sweet in taste. When I am dried, I am called as prunes. I am high in vitamins and minerals.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
Strawberry.
Hello kids, I'm strawberry. I'm everyone's favorite fruit. Children love to have me with ice cream and whipped cream. I am a good source of vitamin C and other nutrients. Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
Cherry.
Very good.
Hello, I'm cherry. I'm small and dark red in color. I taste slightly sour. I'm often used to flavor and decorate cakes and ice creams.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
Don't know.
Musk melon. This one is musk melon.
Musk melon.
Yes.
Hello children, I am Musk Melon. I am round in shape. I have tan colored rind. I am an excellent source of vitamin C and vitamin A. My water content is very high, which helps boost hydration within the body.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
Guava.
Very good.
Hello children, I am guava. I am a popular fruit for making jelly, jam and marmalade. I am a great source of dietary fiber, vitamin C and minerals.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
Papaya.
Yes.
Hello kids, I am Papaya. You can find us almost all over the world. The nutrients present in our body act as medicine.
Next, Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
This one is watermelon.
Very good.
Hello kids, I am quite big and heavy. I am green on the outside and red inside. I am a summer fruit. I am sweet and juicy. I am good for health and keep your body hydrated.
Let us see the last one. Monami, can you tell me which fruit is this?
Grapes.
Good.
Hello children, I am grape. I can be purple or green. I am always in clusters. I am sweet and juicy. I am a good source of minerals and vitamin A. I can be eaten raw or as juice, jelly and jam. Well done, Monami. I will give you a
Big smiley.
yes. Now, let me share a mouth-watering fruit salad recipe. Are you ready, children? Are you ready, Monami?
Yes, miss.
Wash the fruits of your choice properly. Peel them and let your mama slice them into small pieces. Place them in a large mixing bowl. Then add a little salt, a spoonful of honey, and squeeze half a piece of lemon over the bowl of fruits and gently toss it all together. Your fruit salad is ready. Isn't it healthy and yummy?
Friends, I'm feeling so hungry. I will love to have a bowl of fruit salad.
Yes, Monami. Come on, let us make the fruit salad. Will you help me?
Yes.
Children, enjoy your yummy fruit salad.
Till then,
You have to tell them to like, subscribe, and share our channel.
yes, please do that. Like, subscribe, and share our channel. Till then, bye. See you in our next episode. Bye, friends.